Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick display and gestures, and here go to the advanced options. Now just click on wallpaper, and here you can pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from, and in my case it will be one from the default wallpapers, so here you can come along with them, and actually we have just one. Then tap on set wallpaper to save the changes, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them, and I will pick both home and lock screen. And that's it, it has been changed, so from now on this brand new picture is covering both your home screen and also your lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily personalize display, change wallpaper in your Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.